Welcome in, my dolls and figurines. Today I wanted to take you through the progress of my Blythe Newsies doll that I'm going to be making for an art show. And this is not really a tutorial, this is just me kind of taking you through the steps that I do and showing you some different things. This is an outfit that I got that I am going to be tea staining and making look a little more destructive, like it's running the streets of New York. Because I'm making a newsgirl themed doll. This is a bonnet it came with, which I'm not sure if I'm going to use yet because I did get a little Newsies hat for my Blythe. And then I got some mini newspapers here, which are interesting, and I was thinking of putting these inside of some of the eye chips because you can do that, and I was going to try that, but I wanted to kind of post the progress of it again, and let's get to it. So I have the eye chips here, and I heard that you could put alcohol on them to soak them out, and I already used these eye chips on my other dolls, so we're gonna do that. And I got these mini newspapers so you could tell that it was newspaper in the eyes, and I don't know if I'm gonna do every eye with it or what I'm doing exactly yet, but here we go. Little disappointment when I find out that the AliExpress newspaper is just printed paper, but I don't have a printer, I guess, so it works. These are actually stickers and really cool, but I'm gonna use like maybe the news and maybe like an article for some of the eye chips. They're soaking in alcohol right now, and I will be right back. Decided that I'm gonna fully tea stain the hat and this, and then the underdress and the bonnet I am going to tie-dye sort of tea stain to give them more an old school look and feel with creases and everything. Basically make doll clothes soup in different random arrangements because I want that more tattered old look, so I am gonna let it get more colored in different spots, so stay tuned. Here is directly after the tea staining, and now I wait. But it turned out really, really good. I'm so glad I did the tie-dye effect for those items, and then for the hat, I kind of moved it around and it definitely got stained more in certain parts. And the dress I fully stained, and I love how that turned out. I've started to make and cut out some of the eyes, and they're looking so cool. I got mini newspapers so you could tell it was newspaper more. And here are the finished eye chips. Actually, I love how they turned out, and I can't wait to see them in a doll. We are still in the middle of taking apart the Blythe, and I just kind of wanted to show what she looks like beforehand, before I customize and fully take her apart. And then this is the hair that I got, and I think I'm gonna cut it, wash it, do all that sorts of thing too, but I did want to just go ahead and kind of show what that looks like and take that apart a little bit. So this, I don't even need that because I'm gonna be adding another string to make it have the closed eyes as well, so there it is. And now I will be doing the rest. So I have finished up a lot of things. Here are the eyes. Here is the diorama, complete with newspaper dating back all the way to 2005. Here I even paper mache'd the eyes. They're still drying at the moment. And then I did try to get a little bit of a hue on there, like sepia tone, a little hint of glitter eyeshadow. And then this is the back plate. I decided to name her Piper Papier, which is French for paper. Papier is. And then it's my second Blythe creation ever, and it's a Newsies theme. Here is the body so far. I finished blushing it. I have finished tea staining the clothes. There's 2 layers of clothes, and then this is a camera accessory. Obviously I didn't make that, but it is an accessory I'm adding on, and I think it's going really well so far. Stay tuned. Real quick, I wanted to show the back and side. It does open. So yeet. And then here is a little close-up of the body blushing and some of the tea staining of the clothing details. Alright guys, so here is my finished Piper Papier. Her eyes are in, her eyes can change. I had a lot of issues. It took me about 2 hours of troubleshooting the eyes and screwing the stall back together to try and put her back together basically. Her eyes would not snap shut on a couple of them, like they were too rounded to close, and honestly this lighting isn't very good, so I'm going to put in some close-up videos at the end, but I just wanted to show you all together. This is my finished Piper Papier, the news girl, and also her hat doesn't super stay on, it just kind of sits. I absolutely love how she looks. I love the carving I did. This was my first time adding like dimples. Again, I will insert some footage because I don't even know that you can see that. I did blush her hands and whole body, even under the dress. And then here is like this. And when I sent the thing to the art show with all the info about it, I measured from here to the back because I was imagining like it would be open. And again, I will post some photos and video of her because I honestly am just really excited and want to show you guys, but I don't feel like this is the best lighting, so stay tuned for that. But thank you guys so much. I hope you're having a great morning, day, evening, or night, wherever you are in the world. Me and Piper wish you the best, and we hope that you are having a creative, artistic day. Stay true to you.